Welcome to English Conversation Hub. This video helps you practice daily use English sentences. Listen, repeat, and improve your speaking step by step.
I'm getting ready now. I'm getting ready now. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll reach in a few minutes. I'll reach in a few minutes. The traffic is very heavy today. The traffic is very heavy today. I just reached the office. I just reached the office. Let me settle down first. Let me settle down first. I need a short break. I need a short break. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I'm a little busy right now. I'm a little busy right now. Can we talk after lunch? Can we talk after lunch? I'm feeling very tired. I'm feeling very tired. I need some rest. I need some rest. Let's meet in the evening. Let's meet in the evening. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Sorry, I'm running late. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll manage it. I'll manage it. Everything is fine now. Everything is fine now. I'm heading home. I'm heading home. It was a long day. It was a long day. Let's talk tomorrow. Let's talk tomorrow. I'll be there shortly. I'll be there shortly. Let me check once. Let me check once. I think we are late. I think we are late. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about this. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's go from here. Let's go from here. I'll handle this part. I'll handle this part. Please give me some time. Please give me some time. I didn't notice that. I didn't notice that. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I'll explain it again. I'll explain it again. That makes sense. That makes sense. I agree with this. I agree with this. I need to hurry up. I need to hurry up. Let me finish this. Let me finish this. I'll get back soon. I'll get back soon. Please come this way. Please come this way. I'll wait here. I'll wait here. I'm looking for this place. I'm looking for this place. I think this is correct. I think this is correct. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. I'll check the details. I'll check the details. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Please note this point. Please note this point. I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. That's fine with me. That's fine with me. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. Let's not worry. Let's not worry. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Please sit here. Please sit here. I'll join you later. I'll join you later. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. Let me try once. Let me try once. I'll remember this. I'll remember this. Please be careful. Please be careful. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. I'll wait for your reply. I'll wait for your reply. Everything is clear now. Everything is clear now. Let's end it here. Let's end it here. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Take care on the way. Take care on the way.
That's it for today's video. Remember, consistency is the key to speaking English confidently. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to English Conversation Hub for daily English conversations. Keep learning and keep growing.